'Cause if you ever grow. Hi, Ginger! Nag-wait pa ko kay Kwan pa break. Hello, Ginger! Miss you, Ginger! Cause if you ever grow. So we are now on our day 6 break kami while waiting for grade 7 campers. Shebangs. Live ta kay walay storage. Live ta kay walay storage. Dali na mo po ng iPhone. Tapos, butang na ako ng video sa YouTube channel just for memories. So, NLC day 6 for campers today. But, day 9 for NLC mentors / teachers, etc. So, nag-ilani ta, hatag na siya, kuning-inukay sa principal's office, katong nasa sako sa school. Cute mo ni kaayo. Shoutout Ma'am Lizelle Tobilla. So, na-okay na ko niya siya sako sa katong sa baha. Kaling blouse. Unahan ko. And then, yes, I'm waiting for you. Diri mo, kay ano, fully ventilated. Kauna? Asa si Honey? Ay, usap mo siya dito na, Joey? Good morning, good morning. Yes, we will continue. So this is English. We have rules, formats, and English standards. So ang English is one yun siya stock knowledge. Bisag asa bali-bali sa imuha. Asa ka maadto. Ang imong knowledge sa English, sa mga rules, sa mga formats, sa grammar, sa vocabulary. Nado na siya nimo for me. So we're done with the Battle of the Crabs story. You're done with the matching type. Yeah, you got perfect scores. You will answer the open-ended questions. And why did the shrimp think a battle was not a good idea? These are open-ended questions. It starts with how and why. And then you will compose questions using who, what, when, where, why, and how. And then last would be the bingo game. Got bingo!
Saan ang bingo, ma'am?
Bingo is if you have crossed 5 in a row. In a row, kanang row siya, diagonally, vertically and horizontally. Kung katong 5 words sa ato mention ako tanan, bingo.
Nalibog ko ito pag-answer mo yung...
Join daw Dustin Mimi. Hashtag activities Mimi. Please like my videos in TikTok. Ma'am Lizelle Tobilla, digital creator. It's not allowed during this time. So I will like your videos in TikTok later, Miss Ma'am Lizelle Tobilla, digital creator. So while waiting kay Hani Patalan, one of the smartest
Subscribe and
grade 7
like.
camper. Ma'am Lizelle Tobilla is your teacher one of your future advisors in grade 9.
Again.
Yes.
Ito man na sa...
Grade 9 Luna.
Nakatumoy.
Grade 9 Bonifacio was the old name of the section.
Pila katumoy, ma'am.
The new section name is, I'm not familiar. I cannot memorize it yet. Okay. I do the live just for attendance and memories. Thank you so much.